Hi guys, welcome to my channel to Awaken Curls. So Awaken Curls is about I'm trying to inspire young girls, young teen, even older women to love their natural hair beauty. I'm gonna do some styles on my video channel, on my YouTube channel, and it's gonna be because I would like to inspire um, we people that are insecure with their hair. I want you to be comfortable with your hair and feel great about it. I would like to say a little bit of myself to you, and here we go. So, uh, my hair is not always been like this. I actually changed my lifestyle hair because in high school, I used to see the other girls with a lot of straight hair, and then I was be like, wow, I would like to have that same hair, because you see it around, and I was, my hair was outside for me. Now, saying that, my last year, my 12th grade year, I decided that to become more healthier with my hair because I really damaged it with my blower and flat iron and a lot of things, a lot of chemicals. My curls were dying, and it made me sad because I wanted my hair back from there. So it was very, very life changing for me. My insecurity built up while I was working with it to make it healthier. So in my making it healthier, I went and did homemade remedies. I started looking for a lot of information for hair growth and for straightening. My hair is curly, but it's also very dry, so it does need a lot of moisturizer um, and oils to keep the humidity a little bit down from it. I love my hair now, and it's been a great journey. I hardly straighten my hair. It's like once a year or so. Sometimes it could be more than a year. I don't really miss it. It's been great. I have very long hair right now. I am talking to you like this because I didn't put no makeup for this video, and my hair is naturally like this. I haven't put a lot of things to it. My reason is why I want you to focus more on your hair beauty. I want to inspire people from children, teenagers, women, older age. I want to get my point out of more your hair beauty. Natural beauty is wonderful, wonderful, wonderful thing. And I want people that was thinking like me in those past years to not think like that no more and love your hair. Now I want to tell you a little bit about my hair. My hair is very dry. I have a lot of hair. The ends are dyed with no bleach. It's just dye hair. I do this because I'm not ready to dye my full hair, and that means that dark in the more roots area is my virgin hair. I do this because sometimes, I let it grow for a while and I get tired of the color, so it's easy for me to cut the ends and then I go back to my virgin hair. um that being said, it was because I want you guys to know a little bit of my texture. Not everybody has the same texture, but you can always work to make it healthier. I'm talking about people in watching the video. If you have damaged chemical hair, is okay. If you are one of those that really take care of your hair like me, is fine too. There's always a way to make your hair stronger and healthier. And you do that and it's less things you can do to style it. It did take me years, but sometimes people look at my hair and say, oh, it's a nice style, it's beautiful. Sometimes I don't do a lot. Sometimes I can just use water and that's about it. But also I have like a big imagination with hairstyles, especially when it comes to my texture type. um, I'm gonna do some routines for uh, my morning routines, and my sample of hair treatments. If you would like to get a little bit more information about that, I'll be glad you leave a comment below. I'll start working in the video for it. I also make organic gel. um, it's a lot of work, but you get used to it. You have that in your set of mind that you want your hair stronger and healthier, you're gonna do it because I passed through that. And it's more easier. I do the treatments faster. The more you do it, the less for the treatment. So you don't have to do it all the time because your hair is stronger. So it's good for you to start little by little, like how I did. A lot of my videos would be uh, um, styles, like quick styles. It could be for going out. If it's for going out, for example, some of my videos I would have makeup and some I won't. I'm gonna do it like that because in all the videos I don't want to use makeup. I want you to focus more in your hair. But sometimes if the title of the video, the main thing of the video is something I have to, be a little more with makeup, I'm gonna do it. I hope you can see what becomes of this channel. Subscribe. We have new things. I have so many ideas to do. You can click on the bell for notifications. Any questions, leave comments below. I'll be answering them. Also, if you think this video would help somebody for inspiration for their hair, I would recommend you share it because it's good to hear from somebody else. It's always good to be somebody in your life for positive, and it can help you, in your insecurities. I know I passed through it, but there's always a way to make yourself feel better. And you know it's okay for sometimes to think like that, but if it does help somebody, please share this video. And it is Awaken Curls. So it's great to meet you guys, and gonna be great to be filming for different things. A lot of imagination in this little head, but it's gonna be a good experience, and I really want to help people that are very insecure with their curls. I believe you should be natural and love whatever comes out that day. If you want to come out drier, let it be dry. If you want to come out more curly, it's gonna be curly. Sometimes your curls are waking for a reason, and it helps you actually be your own self and be your own style, unique. So I hope this is a great introduction in English. um, I am gonna keep trying, and it's just I like to, if I know the language a little bit, I would like to also help people that don't speak Spanish. And again, my name is Stephanie Diaz. This is Awaken Curls, and see you soon in my next video. Bye.